Hello everyone, welcome to GB Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it, enable notification for more interesting videos and ongoing challenges. Right, we are continuing on 30-day Java, 30-day Selenium, Java Selenium challenge. Right, today Selenium program day 6. What is the today's program is? Develop a generic method to wait for an element dynamically without using thread.sleep. Right. What is the weights? Right. What are the different weights we have? Right. What are the different weights we have? We have two types of weights we have. Right. One is the hard weight. Right. One is the hard weight. One is the dynamic weights. Right. One is the dynamic weights. Right. We have two types of weights. Right. Then hard weight means thread dot slip. Right. Thread.sleep. Right. Right. 100% we should not use thread.sleep. Right. Very rare scenario, maybe 0.0001%. Right. What will happen if you use thread.sleep? It will halt the program. Right. It will stop the program execution. It will wait until, suppose if I given, suppose today I am waiting for one element, it is taking 10 seconds. I have written 10 seconds. That means what will happen? Application will stop without doing anything until 10 seconds. Maybe tomorrow application was fast, right? It is element is visible within 5 seconds. Now unnecessarily we are waiting remaining 5 seconds. Right, suppose you thought okay, it is now loading 5 seconds, I change it to 5 seconds. Again one more after one day, right, you will get because of application issue it is taking 10 seconds. Now our test case will fail. Right, we cannot predict application is right which day it will load fast, which day it will load slow. Right, due to that thread.sleep, right, there are more chances to fail our test cases. Right, there are more chances to fail our test cases. Right, because of thread.sleep we cannot predict right application behavior, so there are more chances to fail our test cases. So we will go with a dynamic weights. What are the dynamic weights we have? We have three types of dynamic weights. Right, we have implicit weight, and then explicit weight, and then we have fluent weight. Right, fluent weight. These are all three dynamic weights. Right, implicit weight we will apply on the, this is a global weight, it will be applicable for all the elements because we will apply on the driver. Explicit and fluent weight specific to right element, specific to, if I want to write wait for particular element, right, based on some condition, right, wait for visibility, wait for clickable, right, wait for element present, right, text to be present, right, different things. Right, particular element we will use either explicit and fluent weight. By using that we will create a generic method. Right, we will see how to create that without using thread.sleep dynamic method. Right, let's jump into the program. Right, I am creating one more package, day 6. Right, I will create as a wait util, wait util, right, wait util. I will create a one public method. Public will return web element, public web element. If you want it without creating object, I want to call, we can use the static. Right, wait until, okay, Now we can send either by locator or wait. One more is into wait time. We'll see what else we require. Here what we will do, we'll create a WebDriver wait equal to new WebDriver wait. Right, we require a driver object, so we'll create WebDriver driver. Right, WebDriver wait. Then we can create the driver and pass the what is the wait time, duration of seconds. Right, we can send wait time. Right, then now if I want to wait for, instead of writing multiple wait methods, we can write a in one is a generic way. We can take one more parameter string, suppose condition. What is that condition? We'll see. One second. Switch. Okay. What is this? Yield switch case statement. Okay. Now we will pass this condition. Alright. Condition dot to lowercase. We will convert into lowercase. Right. Suppose my case is visible. Okay. Now visible. Then what I can do? Wait dot. Right. Wait dot until expected condition. Right. Expected conditions dot visibility of element located. Visibility of element located. Right. This is we have to return. What it will return? It will wait for the element and it will return web element. Right. Right. Switch case must have break, but if we return, it will not work. Right. Unreachable code. We don't require. Then one more case. Then one more case, visible or anything. Here we can see what are the different element to be clickable. Right, we can write element to be clickable. Suppose we can write click, visible or clickable, right, whatever we want. Then we can element to be clickable, element to be right selected. Is it written type mismatch cannot convert to boolean? This is it will return boolean for we can write a separate method. Right, whatever element it should return element, then we can take those. Right, then we can take a element to be, is there nothing, element present or nothing. Right, there might be one thing, presence of element located. Right, what it is, an expectation for checking that element is present in the DOM of a page. This does not necessarily mean that the element is visible. Right, it is just hidden. Also it will return. Right, presence, suppose presence. Right, then based on whatever you can write like this multiple. Right, suppose if we are sending wrong thing, we can throw exception, throw new what. Right, we have a multiple exceptions. Right, we can send like a illegal, right, illegal argument. Right, right, condition not matched, something, anything, condition not matched. Right, place send, please pass correct one, or please pass valid one. Okay, okay, we can write like this, right? Wait until, suppose if you want sometimes we want a right, if we are sending element means already element is there, we no need to write this. Only by locator if we have, we can wait for it. Suppose you want element also, suppose if we are using page object design pattern, right, then we will have a by element, instead of by we will get a element, right? Web element. Then we can convert these things, visibility of, right, visibility of element to be clickable. This is same, presence of element, I think we don't have with web and child locator. I think we don't have. Do we have? Let me check. I think with web element we don't have. So just, right, we can remove it. With web element we don't have. Just visible and clickable. Right, we can overload method. Right, we can also explain like this. Right, we can wait for element until we can pass either by or web element. Right, fine then. Like this we can write multiple reusable methods. Right, this is for element, you can try for boolean, right, which will return a boolean. Right, we will have a boolean. Right, if you want to wait for a attribute to be contains, this will return booleans, right? We can write for booleans also one. Right, frame to be, we can write separate method, frame to be, invisibility of element, right, invisibility boolean, number of elements, right? Whatever we require we can write one reusable method and leave it here. Right, just we need to call, right, wait util dot wait until, then pass the driver object element by locator, and then what is the wait time, what is the condition, right? These things we can pass it. Right, like this we can create reusable methods and we can wait for it. Right, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification. Thanks for watching. If you have anything, comment in the comment section, like the video.